Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to completely remove a team member from Asana. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Asana, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Removing a team member from Asana involves a few easy steps to ensure they no longer have access to your organization's workspace, projects, and tasks. Because when an employee leaves the company or the organization, it's essential to remove them from Asana to ensure they no longer have access to company projects and sensitive information. Now, in my case, in the past, a team member is transferring to a different team for a specific project because we're working here on the Andy's Guides channel. Some are creating the thumbnails while others are creating voiceovers for you guys. And of course, some are doing the backend. And some role does not require Asana access, so they can be removed from the current team. Now, there are multiple ways for you to remove someone or a team member from Asana. You see, there's going to be an option here that says shares, and it's only basically private to members. You see, that's going to be a project admin, and there's going to be a from editor. All I can do is simply click on the remove from project. All right, and that's that. It's a straightforward process. Now, obviously, for the video, I'm not going to remove someone from my project because this video is created for tutorial, but you know, and you get what I mean, right? Now, the next option is just go to the certain projects that you're currently working with. There's going to be right click on that, for example, this one or Andy's Guide, all right? There's going to be another option that says share project. And of course, if you are working with multiple freelancers, multiple clients during reorganization, if a team member is no longer part of the new structure, their actions should be removed. All right, and all I'm gonna do is click that and might want to remove all of them. All right, now if in any case you are having problems deleting someone or removing someone here on the Asana, it's not working, the button is not working, you might want to go to the upper right corner here where it says the settings. Click on that. Now click on that and go to the part that says admin console. All right, there should be an option here to remove members. Go to members. You see, for example, you wanted to remove andyguide@outlook.com. There's going to be a show options where there's a 3 dots ellipsis. Of course, you can remove them. It's very easy. All right, now if this doesn't work, one of the methods are not working, you might want to contact the customer success team to help you fix the issue if you're encountering any problems along the way. Enter that, type in if you get an answer. If not, you might want to go to the customer support to see if you get an answer. All right, and if you get a hold one of the customer support staff, tell them you are having problems removing someone completely here on the Asana account, and one of the support staff will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to completely remove a team member here in Asana. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.